people are finding me online, which is actually kind of cool. This guy reached out to me, hit me up in my DMs on Facebook, asking me if I could help him randomize the scroll down functionality of a web page. And then he goes on to explain how he tried to do it with some send keys and some stuff, but it didn't really work. So he was asking me if I could help him with that. And I thought that was a fun. I hadn't done that before, but I thought that was a small, interesting challenge. So let me show you how to do that. So what he's after is basically the opening of a web page, and then just at times different amounts of scrolls down the page. How do you do that? You can probably do it in a bunch of different ways, but I found a neat functionality in the usage of a JavaScript. And if you are somewhat non-IT person, then maybe you're thinking, oh my god, JavaScript, I don't even know what that is. You don't have to know what it is. I barely know it myself, but I do know that I have tools available for me that can help me figure it out. So let me show you how simple it is. Let's say that we want to launch a new Chrome instance, and we want to use the Community Power Platform as a tester page. So we'll paste that in, we'll maximize it, and then we will save it. Now, to imitate the guy who reached out to me a bit, we will do a loop. So we run through it, and every time we run through it, we scroll down a little bit more, because that's the way that he also had it set up. So let's just try and imitate the same. We'll start it from 1, we'll end it at 5, and then we'll just, every time we run it, we'll add 1, meaning that we will do the flow or the loop 5 times. We'll save that. And then within this, we will search for the JavaScript function on web page. Run JavaScript function on web page. Now, this is here where we need to input some IT stuff, and if you don't know how to do it, it's fine. You can simply go into ChatGPT like I did and say, write me a JavaScript function that scrolls somewhere between what equivalates 2 to 10 scrolls on a mouse every time it is executed. Make it short and sweet. With that prompt, I got this code, so I don't need to understand the code. I just paste it in, and then I will see for myself if it gives me the desired result. So let's see if it doesn't. Should open up a web page, and then we should see it scroll down a little bit, and it was doing that quite fast. I forgot that maybe we should just put a wait 2 seconds in between each time before it scrolls, so we can see that it actually does it in sections. So it scrolls down, scrolls down, scrolls down, and now we're actually at the bottom of the page, so it won't scroll anymore. But that's how you combine your skills, knowing that you have ChatGPT or an equivalent AI at your service, and that you have Power Automate Desktop free version. You can make things work.